Hello guys, hello people, welcome to this YouTube channel. Unknown person cuts off 7-year-old boy's hand in Padigi in Kwara State, my people, on Monday the 21st of June 2021. This matter no the joy my heart at all, my people. Now reason where I bring the next matter where we go talk insight. Now how passenger refuse to pay cab driver after way they don't give am lift, my people. She categorically denied to pay. Just they come down from the car, they go before the driver take say no, madam, you supposed pay my money. Anyways guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime we take come across this video. If not the first time this way you stop for this channel, you're welcome. Enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. If you're here, you've not yet subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Please do want to support me by subscribing and turning on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you go be amongst the first to be notified. I thank you as you do so. So my people, make we dive directly for the matter. An unknown person has cut off the right hand of a 7-year-old Almajiri student Usman Abubakar in Padigi local government area of Kwara State, my people. They said this Usman is a student of one Malam Aliyu Adamu for Almajiri school in Padigi town, as soon as the year, my people. They talk say this incident it happened on Monday. They say one man came to the town on Monday at about 10 o'clock and lured him and 2 other Almajiri students to enter a car with the assurance that he was taking them to a place to give them enough food to eat. The suspect, now at large with the part of the hand he cut off, then drove into a bush, and when he was struggling to cut Usman's hand, the 2 other Almajiri students escaped from him. My people, as soon as take years, so this child will now they see this 7-year-old boy, my people, with 2 other young students, the suspects take them, put them inside car because of hunger, as in no food to eat. He talks say make they follow him, he will give them enough food to eat. Now so they take follow. Oh God, poverty, poverty, you be bastard. As in the children take follow him, he carried them enter bush, my people. As in they cut Usman hand, now the 2 others take run for their dear lives, my people. Which kind wahala na be this? Instead for they make this pikin they feel this kind pain, so my people. Now in fact I see the thing they pain my chest. They talk say they come pick this Usman, he don't lost blood, like he don't lost a lot of blood. They carry and go hospital, make them medical team take help save this boy life, my people, and say that the procedure or the issue they under investigation. Me see this matter, that is not even my problem whether under investigation or not. Me what you want talk now to guardians and for parents, then for children. Please educate your children. Me no say recession dey everywhere, hunger dey everywhere, there is no food to eat, but please be take care of your children. Why this malam be there? Why they carry these children they go? Now question that way a lot of people they take ask themselves, say oh Malam Aliyu Adamu, where you there? Because they say now your student, as in the child there, is under your care. Where you be there? They take carry these children for 10 p.m. for nights, my people. Which kind of wahala night be this? I don't know where people don't sell their conscience, just they do anyhow. Me the fear waiting they happen for zoo, and they talk to you when you be parent or you get somebody child for your house, make you they give them better education. Tell us say no go with stranger. Even if the stranger tell you say he go carry you go bodo you bo, anything where the stranger go tell you, make you not accept, make you struggle to the educate our children, my people. What you think about this video? Make una write for comment section. What you think about the video, my people? Make you dive directly for the next matter way we get for hand. my people, the next matter wey dey ground about this lady wey no wan pay cab driver, as in he don call say go leave me for 13 no number 13 wey she no know her destination. My people, as they take dey go, she just dey talk for phone. Suddenly she see place where she suppose stop. Immediately she just tell cab driver say stop here, and the cab driver take no say no madam, you dey put her life in danger. As in me no fit just stop because you asked me to stop. There is a car behind us. I suppose park well before you go comot. My people, as the cab driver just better park, so now so the lady just come out, they go. The cab driver say, madam, wetin dey do you? Omo, wetin dey play? You never pay me now. The lady say, you know what dey? I go call police for you. I go report you. As the lady just dey talk, now the cab driver just comot in phone. He say no, make him make video for take dey on the safe side. My people, as he take dey do so, now the lady dey run. You know the one una dey see how they run, no the one show in face. My people, because she know wetin she dey do, and na so people take unite. This one it happened for Lagos State. Anyways, my beautiful people, I go leave una the video for you more una watch am. But before una go, if you dey never still subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. I thank you all as you do so. I will see you in my next video. As of now, I'm out. Choose. Love you all.
She requests me from Banana Island. She requests me from Banana Island. When she requests me from Banana Island, she told me she's going to number 13 Gerard. Number 13 Gerard, number 13 is before the roundabout. So on her way going, she was on call. There's car behind me. She just said, okay, stop. There's car behind me. I said, madam, you're putting her life in danger. I now park well. When I park well, she was on call. She just opened the door, start walking. I said, madam, you haven't paid. She started walking. I now touch her. I said, madam, you haven't paid. She said, I'll call the police for you. How dare you touch me? How dare you touch me? And I said, but you haven't paid. And you put wrong address. You say number 13. On our way going this express, and you was on call. You can't just hit the car and say stop like that. I now said, okay, pay me. She said she's not going to pay. I said, for what reason? She said, because I touched her. I now said, but as I stop, as me you say, end the trip. How much? You pay me. There won't be problem. But you open the door, you start walking out. And I say, you haven't paid. You don't want to respond.
Why did you do the video now?
Yes, because she threatened my life that she'll call the police on me. That this, that. She threatened my life. And this thing, I'll take it to both offices. And this thing will go to all social media. It's still on record. I have the right. She embarrassed me. She put my life in risk. She put my life and my car in risk. Look, this social media will take you and they will arrest you. You put my life and my car in risk for this fateful Monday morning. You say you'll call the police. Your father is this, your mother is this. I don't care. I'm working for my money. You put number 13 and thank God the thing is on app. The thing is on app.